Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to calculate units place within few seconds for any number and for any power. That means if any question is asked for to calculate units place, I am sure that you will be able to calculate that question within few seconds after watching this video. So please watch this video till the end. First let us know what are digits. Digits are starting from 0 ending at 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called as digits. Now we will going to calculate about units place for any number and for any power. Let us take one example, 231 whole power 78. Here n is 231 and power is 78. We are denoting 231 as n and power is 728 is p. I hope you understood what is n and what is p. For that we are going to calculate units place. Units place means what? Unit digit. Here the unit digit is 1. Then the digit which are in units place is called as unit digit. 1 is in units place. Here we want to calculate units place, so take only 1, that is units place, and forget about the remaining number. Let us take remaining number as m. Forget about the remaining number m. Concentrate on only unit digit u and power. Here unit digit is u and power is p. Now I will divide all digits into 3 sets. 0, 1, 5, 6 is one set and the other set is 4 and 9 and one more set is 2, 3, 7, 8. Now I will explain clearly each set. Please concentrate on this. See the first set, that is u equal to 0, 1, 5, 6. Whenever you want to find the units place of n power p, that is equal to mu power p, if u is either 0, 1, 5, 6, the answer for the question is whatever you have in units place, that is whatever you have u, that is the answer for the question. That means whenever you have u either 0, 1, 5, 6, the answer is in question itself. I hope you understood how to calculate whenever you have u 0, 1, 5, 6. U means units place. See the next set, u equal to 4 and 9. Whenever you have units place either 4 or 9, please concentrate on the power. If the power is odd, you will get the same thing whatever you have u. If the power is even, for 4 you will get 6, for 9 you will get 1. Please check the power whenever you have the units place either 4 or 9. If the power is odd, you will get the same thing whatever you have in units place. If the power is even, for 4 you will get 6, for 9 you will get 1. This is the second set. See the third set. The third set is having the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. Whenever you have units place 2, 3, 7, 8. Please divide the power with 4 and check the remainder. The remainder should be less than 4. Remainder should be less than 4 means you will get the remainder either 0, 1, 2, 3, right? You will get the remainder either 0, 1, 2, 3. Whenever you get the remainder 0, please take it remainder as 4. That means substitute r equal to 4 whenever you get the remainder 0. For remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, you will substitute same thing and calculate the units place. Units place means after calculating u power r, you will get the something, and again you will concentrate on only unit digit. Please take the unit digit and that will be the answer for the given question. I hope you understood how to calculate units place for the given set. Now let us see the few examples so that you will understand clearly. See the first example, 31 whole power 17. Whenever you want to find the units place, please concentrate on the units place u and forget about m. Here u is 1. Whenever you have u as 1, the units place for the given question is u itself. U means 1. This is the answer for the given question 31 whole power 17. See the next one, 32 whole power 7. Here the units place is 2 and m is 8. Forget about m. Please concentrate on only u. Here u is 2 and power is 7. Whenever you have units place is 2, please divide the power with 4. 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4, 3. Here remainder is 3 and the next step is calculate u power r. Here u is 2, 2 power 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here the units place will be 8. I hope you understood how to calculate units place for the second question 82 whole power 7. See the third one, 63 whole power 6. Here m is 6. We need to concentrate on m. And here u is 3 and power is 6. Whenever you have units place u is 3, divide power with 4. Here the power is 6. Divide power with 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Here remainder is 2. Calculate u power r. U power r means here u is 3. 3 square means 9. The units place for 63 whole power 6 is 9. I hope you understood how to calculate units place for 63 whole power 6. That means whenever you will get units place is 3, divide the power with 4 and check the remainder and substitute in the formula u power r and again consider only units place. See the next example, 3784 whole power 73. Here units place u is 4 and m is 378. Forget about m. Please concentrate on only 4. That is units place. If the units place is 4, check the power. If the power is odd, you will get the same thing whatever you have in units place. Here 73 is an odd number. So the answer for the given question, the units place for the given number is 4 itself. See the fifth one, 7694 whole power 18. Here units place is having 4 and the remaining number m is 769. Forget about the m. Please concentrate only on 4. That is units place. Check the power. Here power is 18. Whenever you have power is even, for 4 you will get 6. Here the power 18 is odd even. So the units place for the given question is 6. See the sixth one, 7875 whole power 131. Here units place, u is 5 and m is 787. Forget about m, concentrate only on 5. Here we want to find the units place. Whenever you have units place is 5, you will get the same thing as units place. Here the answer for the question is 5 only. Next one, 1009676 whole power 13. Here the units place is 6 and m is 100967. Forget about m, concentrate only on units place u. Here u is 6. Whenever you have units place u is 6, you will get the same thing 6. That is u. Eighth one, 12347 whole power 14. Here the units place is 7 and m is 1234. Forget about m, concentrate only on 7. Whenever you have units place is 7, divide power with 4. Here the power is 14. Divide power with 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 2, which is less than 4. Now calculate u power r. Here u is 7. Power is r is 2. See the ninth one, 1007 whole power 200. Here the units place is 7 and m is 1000. Forget about 1000. Concentrate only on units place 7. Whenever you have units place is 7, you have to divide power with 4. Here the power is 200. 4 5s are 20. 4 50s are 200. Here you got the remainder r equal to 0. I said previously, whenever you get the remainder 0, take r as 4. Take r as 4, substitute in the formula u power r. Here u is 7, 7 power 4. 7 power 4 units place will be 7 sevens are 49. Again 9 with 4, 9 with 7, 7 nines are 63. Again 3 with 7, 7 threes are 21. The units place will be 1. So 1007 whole power 200 units place will be 1. I hope you understood how to calculate units place whenever you get the remainder 0. See the 10th one, 81768 whole power 7. Here units place is 8 and m is 8176. Forget about m, concentrate only on u. Whenever you have u is 8, check the power and divide power with 4. Here power is 7. Divide power with 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Here you got the remainder 3. Now substitute in the formula u power r. Here u is 8. 8 power r is 3. 8 8s are 64. Again with units place, 4 8s are 32. The units place for the given question will be 2. See the next one, 718 whole power 8. Here also units place is 8 and m is 71. Forget about m. Now divide power 8 with 4. 4 2s are 8. Here you got the remainder 0. Whenever you get the remainder 0, take remainder r as 4. Substitute in the formula u power r. Here u is 8. 8 power r means 4. After calculating 8 power 4, you will get something, and again consider only units place. For 8 power 4 units place will be 6 only. So 718 whole power 8 units place also 6. See the last two examples with 9. 939 whole power 12. Here units place u is 9 and m is 93. Forget about m. Here u is 9 and power is 12. Whenever you have u is 9 and power is even, you will get the answer for the given question is 1. The units place for 939 whole power 12 is 1. 13th one, 378929 whole power 721. Here u is 9 and power is odd. 721 is an odd number. Whenever you want to find the units place for 9 power odd number, you will get the units place is 9 only. That means u only. I hope you understood how to calculate units place for each digit. If you understand this concept, please like it, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.